how does an apple turn into energy? You eat food. But then suddenly, you can run, jump, and play. Yeah, where does that energy come from? When you eat food, it travels down into your body. Your body says, yum, let's use this. Your body breaks food into tiny, tiny pieces. So small, you can't even see them. Like breaking a cookie into crumbs. Now here's the magic part. Your body turns those tiny pieces into energy. That's what helps you. Run, jump, think. That's it. Your body uses energy all the time, even when you are sleeping, thinking, breathing. Your body is always working. Let's try something. Jump up and down 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That energy you just used, it came from food. Even your brain uses energy. That's how you think, learn, and remember things. Food goes in, breaks down, turns into energy. That powers your whole body. Next video, where does that energy go inside your body? And how does it travel everywhere? Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed learning about how digestion works, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time!